Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideaplex, your go-to channel for the latest in tech and innovation. Today we're exploring Captions.ai, an incredible AI tool that makes adding captions to your videos easier than ever. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or business professional, Captions.ai can help you enhance your videos and reach a broader audience. Let's get started. Captions.ai is designed to simplify the process of adding accurate and visually appealing captions to your videos. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to get the most out of this powerful tool. It's a powerful online platform that uses AI to automatically generate and edit captions for your videos. It's designed to be user-friendly, saving you tons of time and ensuring your content is accessible to a wider audience. First things first, let's sign up. Head over to www.captions.ai and click on the sign up button at the top right. You'll need to provide an email address and create a password. If you already have an account, simply log in. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive dashboard. So first I will generate AI ads from products orders. Let's suppose I have a product called Pet Photography Tool and I will try to generate video ad. You can see now it has already generated product name, description, and also target audience. So once you are done, select your script. Once your script is ready, you can choose from or edit any of the generated AI scripts. Now you can edit style, you can select a creator and a template for your captions and click on generate ads. You will have different options you can choose from. Here is the sample video of the product.
3 reasons you should use the CJ Dropshipping Pet Photography Tool the next time you're trying to get that perfect shot of your furry friend. 1. The powerful clip securely holds treats or toys to grab their attention. 2. The 360-degree rotating design lets you capture the ideal angle. And 3. It's lightweight and portable, so you'll never miss an adorable pet.
You can also create the AI shorts using long-form videos into viral-worthy clips. To start a new one, click on Upload Video. You can drag and drop your video file or select it from your computer. After your video is uploaded, Captions.ai will prompt you to generate captions. Click on Generate Captions. The AI will automatically start analyzing your video and generating captions. This might take a few minutes depending on the length of your video. Once the captions are generated, you can review and edit them. click on any caption to edit the text. You can also adjust the timing by dragging the caption boxes along the timeline. And that's the basic workflow. Captions.ai also offers some advanced features like multi-language support, team collaboration, and integration with video editing software. Here are a few quick tips to get the most out of Captions.ai. Use clear audio. Ensure your video has clear audio for the best caption accuracy. Check auto captions. Always review auto-generated captions for any errors. Brand consistency. Customize captions to maintain your brand's look and feel. Now, let's talk about pricing. Captions.ai offers a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets. There's a free plan with basic features, but for more advanced options, you can choose from their premium plans. These plans unlock additional customization options, higher resolution exports, and more. Review and edit automatically generated captions to ensure accuracy. Customize the appearance of your captions to match your video's branding. Use translation features to make your content accessible to a wider audience. So, take advantage of the free plan to get started and consider upgrading for more advanced features. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide on www.captions.ai helpful and that it makes your video captioning process much easier. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Ideaplex for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Have any questions or tips of your own? drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned to Ideaplex for more tech reviews and tips. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.